Parasites are organisms that live in or on another organism, and their sole purpose is to extract nutrient, and they use that nutrient to propagate and produce more progeny. My name is John Dalton, and I lead the molecular parasitology group here at NUI Galway. We brought together expertise from across the globe into one laboratory to study the major parasitic diseases of humans and their livestock. Parasitic diseases infect over 2 billion people. That's more than a quarter of the world's population. And these infections mainly occur in poor rural regions of the world, such as Africa, Asia, and South America. Parasitic diseases are all too common in the agricultural community as well, where they infect sheep, cattle, goats, and water buffalo, and cause an enormous loss to the agricultural economy. We've got an outstanding team here at NUI Galway. Our scientists have come from across the globe, from Brazil, Spain, Hungary, throughout the UK and indeed Ireland, to bring together their expertise in the study of human diseases and indeed animal diseases also. One of the most important parasitic diseases that has been the scourge of humans for millennia is malaria. And even in this year, malaria has infected over 250 million people and has killed more than 400,000 people. Those deaths are mainly in Africa and predominantly in children under the age of 5. Schistosomiasis is a worm disease that is prevalent in over 74 tropical and subtropical countries. It infects about 200 million people and kills about between 20,000 and 80,000 people every year. It's part of a group of parasites that spread throughout tropical regions, right into Asia and China and Korea. And they cause a lot of devastation in mainly, again, in poor rural areas where people generally earn less than $2 a day. So liver fluke disease is very common in Ireland. In fact, it infects probably greater than 85% of our dairy cattle and maybe about 40% of our sheep and regular beef cattle. But liver fluke disease is a global disease of agricultural animals, causing the global community billions every year. And in places like Southeast Asia, Northern Iran, and South America, it's a major human disease also because people live closely with their animals. The recent pandemic with COVID spreading across the globe has demonstrated very clearly how infectious diseases can impact us all, how it can destroy our economy, and how it can be devastating to human life. Already, over 3 million people have died from COVID-19. Here at NUIG, we've diverted some of our expertise in the study of COVID so that we can learn more. We've been working on new diagnostic tests and trying to understand the biology of the virus so that it can inform new vaccine development. But whilst parasites can be our enemy, they can also be our friend. In fact, parasites have unique ways of controlling the immune system of their host. And we're trying to understand that interaction between the parasite and host and how the parasites control the immune system. By understanding how they control the immune system, we can use those methods to treat various disorders of the immune system that we find in humans, such as rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, and even sepsis in humans. So we're making a valuable contribution to the understanding of how parasites live inside their hosts. And by understanding that biology, we hope to develop new diagnostics and novel vaccines for the treatment of these major scourges of humans and their animals.